Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In greeting to our lecturer, Encik Hashamuddin bin Yaakob and other friends. Okay, my name is Manazir bin Ismail. My matrix number is 01-8023F1088. Today, I and my group members, we want to present Code of Ethics for Auditors. We from group 4. Okay, first for all, I want to introduce my group members or 3 members. First is Muhammad Afiq bin Nazaruddin, matrix number 01-8023F1077. And next, Muhammad Hafiz Hanif bin Nur Azimi, 01-8023F1078. And this is me, Iman Azim bin Ismail. Okay, you already know who is the members for this presentation. I can lead first for presentation. I want to introduce you for the content or topic for this presentation. First is assertion the importance of the quality control system and determine the advertising and other method to attract the customers. Okay, this is a 3 point of importance of the quality control system. First is ensure integrity and objectivity. A strong QCS enforce ethical requirements such as independence, honesty, and fairness. It can help maintain auditor independence and unbiased judgment, such as, for example, is independence check before acceptance or continuing an engagement. Second is enhanced public confidence. For enhanced public confidence, financial statement users such as shareholder, investor, regulator, rely and auditor opinions. A robust QCS ensure the public that audits are conducted according to professional standard and ethical guidelines. This is to build trust in reliability, financial reporting, and auditing profession as a whole. And last, for the 3 is consistency in work. QCS provide a standard procedure to ensure reliable and high quality audits. This ensures that regardless of which auditor and engagement team performance the audits, the quality of audits will remain consistent. For example, use a firm-wide audit manuals, checklists, and peer reviews. This is for me, and I want to pass to my other groups. Thank you. Okay.
Thank you, Iman. Hi, my name is Muhammad Afani bin Norazimi. My matric number is 01-8023F1078. Now I will continue the presentation. There are 2 points of importance of the quality control system. The first one is compliance with standard. That is ensure auditors follow professional and legal requirements. The second point is protect professional reputation. That is reduce risk of misconduct and safeguard credibility. Next, determine the advertising and other methods to attract customers. The first point is truthfulness. Any advertisement by auditors must always be accurate, honest, and reliable. It should not contain false information, exaggeration, or misleading statements about services. Next, professionalism. Auditor must promote their services in a professional manner that reflects competence and integrity. They should highlight their strengths without criticizing or discrediting the reputation of other auditors. Now I will pass this presentation to Muhammad Afiq. Thank you.
Thank you, Muhammad Hafiz Hanif. Before I start, may I introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Afiq bin Nazaruddin. My metric number is 01-TAT23F1077. Now I want to continue about determine the advertising and other method to attract customers. First point is fairness. Auditors are prohibited from using unethical methods such as offering gift in document or commission to gain clients. Client must be attracted based on trust, credibility, and the quality of professional service. Last point is compliance. All advertising and promotional activity must strictly comply with the code of ethics. Auditors are also required to follow professional standards and legal requirements to maintain public confidence. That's all from us. Thank you.